He's one of the faces behind a brutal crime in Dickson County this year. One of the suspects in the shooting death of Sergeant Daniel Baker made her first court appearance in person. News Channel 5's Matthew Torres was there with what's next in this high-profile case.
Erica, what do you want to say?
The day started out with Erica Castro-Miles. She's indicted for the murder of Sergeant Daniel Baker in May and has been in state custody.
You've been accused of killing Sergeant Baker. Is there anything you want to say to the community?
She refused to answer our questions after today's agreement that allowed her and Stephen Wiggins a preliminary hearing in the near future. He's accused of shooting Baker multiple times after the deputy asked him to get out of a stolen vehicle. Castro-Miles was in the passenger seat and at some point ran away. A key piece of evidence is Baker's body cam, which reportedly captured the shooting.
I have not seen anything in that body cam footage that leads me to believe that she committed the crime of first-degree murder.
But the attorney for Castro-Miles says there hasn't been any specific evidence showing why she deserves a murder charge. After the preliminary hearing, he plans to file a motion to separate her case from Wiggins to make it fair for his client.
He's charged with the capital crime, among others, and in her situation, the prospective guilt rubbing off onto her is a real prospect, and we want to get away from him as fast as possible. Much the same way if I told you this building was on fire, you'd want to get out. We want to get out.
On top of the state charges, she and Wiggins are facing federal charges. Wiggins waived his right to appear as he undergoes a mental evaluation. Meanwhile, Sheriff Jeff Bledsoe was in the courtroom keeping his promise to attend every hearing. In Charlotte, Matthew Torres, News Channel 5.